to the Mananui Airbnb in Kissimmee. So far, sitting on this is very comfortable. It's a lovely living room. It is like sitting in Trader Sam's, either Grog Grotto or the Enchanted Tiki bar. Is a really cool touch. We won't be doing a lot of drinking here because we have our son with us, but if you're a couple wanting to celebrate a special occasion and have your own little tropical hideaway, or if you have another couple friend, someone else that wants to come along, it's a great place. What enabled this little Airbnb one-bedroom mobile home to turn into this incredible tiki paradise is the owner partnered with Typhoon Tommy to help make this incredible place come to life.
Staying at Trader Sam's.
Yep.
Wow.